Got my legal hustle, welcome to the trap. I can blow a stack, bet I make it back. You can hit my line if you need a track. But we can't even talk if it ain't about the back.
Merch. They have this system set up where you can upload your designs and stuff on Amazon so that you can basically have a seamless merch approach for people that actually support and listen to your music on Amazon specifically. So whether you have tons of artist merch for sale today or looking to get started with your first design, Amazon Music for Artists can help you get set up to sell on Amazon. Artist teams can now get expedited approval to Amazon's print on demand service through their Amazon Music for Artists account. Once your first designs go live, will help you connect your merch to your profile right where your fans are listening. So while they're listening to your music, they could also be making transactions to get a t-shirt, a hoodie, you know what I mean? Anything, whatever it is that you come up with. No upfront costs. You don't got to pay nothing. No inventory risk. You ain't never going to run out because Amazon got the backlog of everything, right? And all orders are eligible for Prime shipping, that 2 days. So if I go on your page and order one of your hoodies, I'm going to get that thing delivered to my door in 2 days. Now, if you go through any other platform, like I said in the beginning, it's probably going to take 2-3 weeks, if not a month, to get to me. And of course, being that you're not paying for this up front, you're going to get a royalty on each sale. So let's go into the royalties thing. I already got this stuff preloaded. You'll earn a royalty for every product sold. Your royalty is going to be based on your product's purchase price minus any applicable tax and Amazon's cost. So all of their production, warehousing, fulfillment, shipping, all of that stuff is going to be taken out before you get your money. This is why I don't like their merch system. Now they're going to give you this standard t-shirt example. If you price it at $15.99, which is a very affordable rate for independent artist fans, because honestly, the lower that you're able to price your materials, the more people are probably going to buy it because it's like, oh, it don't really cost me that much to support you. But if you put it up for $15.99, your royalty is only going to be $2.21. You can't even get a burger with this. You get about a large fry and a small drink. That's some bullshit, man. You put it up for $17.99, you get $3.72. You put it up for $19.99, which is really the sweet spot for an independent artist, you're going to get $5.23 on the sale. In order to even make half of the money, $9.77, you got to sell it for at least $26, you know what I mean? Which I think is super unfair. It doesn't really make any sense to do this when there's other platforms out there that'll do it for you in a more seamless way, and you're going to make more money. You can go to Printful, you can go to Printify, you can go to Spreadshirt. Now, in some of these instances, you're going to have to get that money from the fan first, apply it, you know what I mean, do some backdoor stuff, or, you know what I mean, connect it to your website, which is very possible these days, especially with Printful and Printify. I would suggest going that route. But if you are trying to get your stuff on Amazon and take advantage of that 2 days free shipping, which is a very big asset, then at least you know it's an option for you. You're going to have a merch outlet for those of y'all that aren't using a system already. You're going to get access to the 2-day free shipping, which is, like I said, really dope. But the money that you're going to make out of that system isn't as great. So everything comes with its pros and cons. I can't tell you guys what to do or what not to do. As a matter of fact, I want to get your opinion. Tell me down below what you think of this portal and dashboard. Is this something that you're going to be signing up for? Are you going to be putting your merch on there through their fulfillment service? Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments, man. Be sure to like and share this video. If this is your first time seeing me on YouTube, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, man. I do this type of stuff all the time. I break down all the resources for independent artists. I'm an independent artist and songwriter myself, so my life is pretty much become consumed with helping out my fellow men and women. All right, so again, hit that subscribe button, hit the post notification bell so you get all updates. I do talk about music news and entertainment as well on here, but for those of y'all that really want to get the education and get some real insight, I'm not a music marketing expert, by the way. I talk about how to make money and help you retain more money so that you can invest in yourself in other ways. All right, I just want to put that disclaimer out there. Anyway, I'm going to see you guys on the next one. All right, much love and respect. Peace, y'all.